The African sun beats down on a muddy riverbank. The air is thick and hot. Suddenly a massive head breaks the surface of the water. It belongs to a hippopotamus, one of Africa's most iconic animals. Hippos are giants weighing up to 4,000 pounds. Only elephants are bigger on land. But what makes hippos truly fascinating is their double life. They are perfectly adapted to living both in water and on land. Hippos spend most of their day in rivers and lakes. They love to wallow in the cool water, escaping the scorching African sun. But as the sun begins to set, they emerge from their watery refuge. They lumber onto land to graze, their powerful legs carrying them across the terrain. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of these aquatic giants and discover the secrets of their unique lifestyle. Hippos are highly adapted to their watery homes. These massive creatures, often seen lounging in rivers and lakes, have evolved over millennia to thrive in aquatic environments. Their bodies are perfectly suited for a life spent mostly in water, where they find both comfort and safety. They live in sub-Saharan Africa, in areas with plenty of rivers, lakes, and watering holes. These regions provide the ideal habitat for hippos, offering them the resources they need to survive and flourish. The abundance of water in these areas is not just a luxury for hippos, it is a necessity. These bodies of water are crucial for the hippo's survival. During the scorching heat of the day, the water acts as a natural coolant, helping to regulate their body temperature. Without these aquatic refuges, hippos would struggle to cope with the intense African sun. They provide a place to escape the heat, to socialize, and to give birth. The social structure of hippos is fascinating. They often gather in large groups known as pods, where they interact and communicate with each other. These gatherings are not just for socializing but also play a crucial role in their reproductive cycle. Hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for an astonishing 5 minutes or more. This ability allows them to navigate their watery homes with ease, moving gracefully through the water despite their bulky size. Their powerful legs and webbed feet make them surprisingly agile swimmers. This allows them to move easily through the water and even sleep submerged, with only their nostrils poking above the surface. This unique adaptation means they can rest peacefully without having to leave the safety of the water, minimizing their exposure to potential threats. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are strategically positioned on top of their heads. This clever design allows them to keep most of their body submerged while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. It's a perfect example of how evolution has shaped these animals to be masters of their environment. This allows them to stay aware of their surroundings while keeping most of their bodies underwater. Being able to monitor their environment is crucial for their survival, as it helps them detect potential dangers and stay connected with other members of their pod. The water provides a cool respite from the heat and a safe haven from predators. In the water, hippos are less vulnerable to attacks from land-based predators like lions and hyenas. The water acts as a protective barrier, giving them a significant advantage in the wild. Hippos are most active at night when they leave the water to graze. Under the cover of darkness, they venture onto land to feed on grasses and other vegetation. This nocturnal behavior helps them avoid the daytime heat and reduces the risk of encountering predators. But they still spend a significant portion of their day in the water, socializing, resting, and even giving birth. The water is not just a place for them to cool off, it is an integral part of their daily lives and routines. Female hippos often give birth in the water, where the buoyancy helps support the newborn calf. Their watery home is essential to their survival. Without these aquatic environments, hippos would not be able to thrive. The rivers, lakes, and watering holes of sub-Saharan Africa are more than just habitats. They are the lifeblood of these incredible creatures, providing everything they need to live and prosper. Hippos possess a unique set of physical characteristics that make them perfectly adapted to their dual lifestyle. These magnificent creatures are equally at home in the water as they are on land, a rare trait among large mammals. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive in both environments, making them one of nature's most fascinating animals. Their barrel-shaped bodies are surprisingly streamlined, allowing them to move easily through the water. Despite their bulky appearance, hippos are graceful swimmers. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes, enabling them to navigate rivers and lakes with ease. Their dense bones help them stay submerged, walking along the riverbed rather than floating. Their nostrils, eyes, and ears are positioned high on their heads, enabling them to stay submerged while remaining aware of their surroundings. This unique placement allows them to breathe, see, and here, while the rest of their body is underwater, providing a perfect blend of stealth and awareness. This adaptation is crucial for avoiding predators and staying cool under the hot sun. One of the most fascinating adaptations of hippos is their blood sweat. This secretion is not only intriguing but also vital for their survival. It gives their skin a reddish hue, which can be mistaken for blood, but it serves a much more important purpose. This isn't actually blood, but a special secretion from their skin that acts as a natural sunscreen and antibacterial agent. The secretion contains pigments that absorb ultraviolet light, protecting the hippo's sensitive skin from sunburn. Additionally, it has properties that inhibit the growth of bacteria, reducing the risk of infections from cuts and scrapes. This reddish fluid helps protect their sensitive skin from the sun's harmful rays and prevents infections. The secretion is continuously produced, ensuring that the hippo's skin remains protected at all times, whether they are basking in the sun or submerged in water. Their legs, though short, are incredibly powerful and allow them to move surprisingly fast on land, reaching speeds of up to 19 miles per hour. This speed is essential for escaping predators and moving between water sources. Despite their size, hippos can cover significant distances on land, demonstrating their remarkable agility. They have webbed feet, which aid in swimming and provide traction on slippery riverbanks. The webbing between their toes helps them paddle through the water efficiently, while also giving them stability on muddy or wet surfaces. This dual functionality of their feet is another example of their perfect adaptation to both land and water. Their large, sharp teeth are primarily used for defense and for grazing on tough vegetation. These formidable teeth can grow up to 20 inches long and are essential for their survival. While they use their teeth to defend their territory and young from threats, they also rely on them to break down the tough grasses and plants that make up their diet. This combination of defensive and dietary use highlights the versatility and importance of their dental adaptations. Section 4. A vegetarian with a big appetite. Don't let their massive size and formidable teeth fool you. Hippos are herbivores with a big appetite for grass. They spend most of their nights grazing on land, consuming up to 150 pounds of grass each night. Their digestive systems are specially adapted to break down the tough fibers found in grasses. While their diet consists mainly of grass, they occasionally supplement it with fruits and other vegetation found near water sources. They use their large lips and sharp incisor teeth to graze, pulling up tufts of grass and grinding them with their molars. Their nocturnal feeding habits are essential for their survival, allowing them to avoid the intense heat of the day and reducing competition for food with other grazers. Their grazing plays a vital role in their ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of vegetation and create pathways for other animals. Section 5. The social side of hippos. Hippos are social animals, living in groups called pods or bloats, which can consist of up to 30 individuals. These groups are essential for their survival, providing protection and social interaction. The size of the pod can vary, depending on the availability of resources and the environment they inhabit. These pods are typically led by a dominant male, who fiercely defends his territory and the females within it. The dominant male's role is crucial as he ensures the safety and cohesion of the group. He will often patrol the boundaries of his territory, warding off potential threats and rival males. Hippos communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, bellows, and snorts. These sounds can convey different messages such as warnings of danger, calls for mating, or signals to maintain group cohesion. Each vocalization has a specific meaning and is understood by other members of the pod. They also use body language to communicate, such as yawning to display dominance or spraying dung to mark their territory. Yawning, for instance, is not just a sign of tiredness, but a display of power, showing off their large teeth to intimidate rivals. Spraying dung is a way to mark their presence and establish boundaries within their habitat. Life within a pod can be competitive, with males often engaging in displays of aggression to establish dominance. These confrontations are usually more about posturing than actual fighting, but they can sometimes escalate into physical clashes. The outcome of these displays determines the hierarchy within the pod. These displays can involve gaping their mouths wide, clashing their teeth, and even headbutting each other. Such behaviors are critical in maintaining social order and ensuring that the strongest and most capable males lead the pod. Despite their occasional aggression, hippos are generally peaceful animals that spend much of their time resting and socializing. They're often seen lounging in the water or on the riverbank, engaging in gentle interactions with one another. This peaceful coexistence is vital for their well-being and helps to strengthen social bonds within the group. Females within a pod often form strong bonds and cooperate in raising their young. They work together to protect and nurture the calves, ensuring they have the best chance of survival. This cooperative behavior is a testament to the strong social structure of hippos and the importance of community in their lives. The social structure of hippos is complex and fascinating, playing a crucial role in their survival and reproductive success. Understanding these social dynamics provides insight into the behavior and ecology of one of Africa's most iconic animals. The intricate relationships and interactions within a pod highlight the importance of social bonds and cooperation in the animal kingdom. Few sounds in the African savanna are as haunting as the laugh of the hyena. This iconic call is a complex form of communication. It echoes through the night, a chilling reminder of their presence. Hyenas, with their powerful jaws and uncanny calls, captivate our imaginations. Often portrayed as cowardly scavengers, they are highly intelligent and adaptable. Their social structures are complex, and their ecological importance is undeniable. Join me as we delve into the world of hyenas, exploring their fascinating lives and dispelling myths. The social structure of spotted hyenas is remarkably complex and unique among mammals. They live in clans that can number from a few dozen to over 100 individuals. This society is ruled by a strict matriarchal hierarchy, with females holding the dominant positions. At the top reigns the alpha female, the largest and most aggressive. Her dominance extends to all aspects of clan life. Males occupy the lowest rung of the social ladder. This complex social structure is a fascinating example of social evolution. One of the most remarkable features of hyenas is their incredible bite strength. Pound for pound, they possess one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones and tearing through the toughest hides. This formidable weapon is essential to their feeding habits, allowing them to access the nutrient-rich marrow of bones and consume carcasses thoroughly. While often perceived as scavengers, hyenas are also skilled hunters. They frequently bring down their own prey, ranging in size from small rodents and reptiles to large antelopes and zebras. Their hunting strategies are diverse and often involve cooperative efforts, with multiple individuals working together to isolate and bring down prey. Contrary to popular belief, hyenas do not simply scavenge the leftovers of other predators. They are opportunistic feeders, capitalizing on a variety of food sources. Their diet includes carrion, fruits, insects, and even the occasional raid on human settlements. This adaptability and versatility in their feeding habits are key to their survival in the often harsh and unpredictable environments they inhabit. It is a testament to their ecological importance as both hunters and scavengers, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Hyenas are remarkably well adapted to their environments, thriving in diverse habitats. Their powerful legs and keen senses help them find food and avoid danger. Their digestive systems can break down even the toughest parts of their prey. Utilizing every part of a carcass is crucial for survival. Hyenas adapt their social behaviors and hunting strategies to conditions. They hunt alone or in groups depending on the prey. This flexibility allows them to exploit various food sources. Their resilience and adaptability are evident in their ability to thrive in multiple habitats. Reproduction and parental care in spotted hyenas are fascinating aspects of their social lives, particularly the crucial role of mothers in ensuring the survival of their cubs. Female spotted hyenas face unique challenges in raising their young. Their anatomy, specifically the presence of a pseudopenis, makes birthing a perilous process, often resulting in complications and even fatalities for both mother and cubs. Once born, hyena cubs face a harsh reality. Competition for food and resources within the clan is fierce, and infanticide by other females is not uncommon. To protect their cubs and ensure their survival, hyena mothers exhibit extraordinary attentiveness and fierce protectiveness. They nurse their cubs for an extended period, providing them with nutrient-rich milk that is crucial for their growth and development. Mothers fiercely defend their cubs from rivals and predators, putting themselves in harm's way to ensure the survival of their offspring. The challenges faced by hyena mothers and the lengths they go to protect their young highlight the strength of maternal instincts in the animal kingdom. It underscores the essential role of mothers in the survival and perpetuation of their species. The African savanna is a stage for one of the animal kingdom's most iconic rivalries: the constant struggle for dominance between lions and hyenas. These two apex predators often find themselves competing for the same resources, leading to intense confrontations that shape the dynamics of their respective populations. Lions, with their majestic presence and powerful hunting abilities, often view hyenas as rivals and competitors. Hyenas, on the other hand, pose a significant threat to lions, particularly to cubs and vulnerable individuals. Their intelligence, pack mentality, and relentless pursuit make them formidable adversaries, capable of stealing kills and even driving lions away from their prey. These encounters are not always one-sided. Hyenas, especially in large numbers, can overpower and even kill lions, demonstrating their strength and tenacity. The relationship between lions and hyenas is a complex interplay of competition, predation, and even occasional coexistence. It is a testament to the dynamic nature of predator-prey relationships and the delicate balance that governs the African savanna. While often portrayed as villains or scavengers, hyenas play a crucial and often overlooked role as nature's sanitation workers. Their scavenging habits, far from being detrimental, are essential for maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. Hyenas are highly efficient at consuming carrion, quickly disposing of carcasses that could otherwise spread diseases. Their powerful jaws and digestive systems allow them to consume even the bones and hooves, leaving behind little to no waste. This thorough scavenging prevents the buildup of decaying matter, which can contaminate water sources and spread diseases to other animals, including humans. By removing these potential health hazards, hyenas act as a natural cleanup crew, contributing to the overall health and well-being of their environments. Their role as scavengers is often underappreciated, but their contribution to ecosystem health is undeniable. They are the unsung heroes of the savanna, maintaining a delicate balance that benefits all creatures, including ourselves. Section 8: Hyenas and Humans, a complex relationship. The relationship between hyenas and humans has long been complex and often fraught with conflict. In many cultures, hyenas are viewed with fear, suspicion, and even superstition. Their scavenging habits and association with death have led to negative perceptions, often portrayed as symbols of greed, cowardice, and even evil in folklore and mythology. This negative image has contributed to the persecution of hyenas in some areas where they are hunted, poisoned, or driven away from their natural habitats. Human encroachment on their territories, coupled with habitat loss and fragmentation, further exacerbates the challenges faced by hyena populations. However, it is important to remember that hyenas are essential members of their ecosystems, playing vital roles in maintaining balance and regulating prey populations. Understanding and appreciating the ecological importance of hyenas is crucial for fostering coexistence and ensuring their long-term survival. Education and awareness are key to dispelling myths and promoting tolerance for these often misunderstood creatures. Section 9: Conservation Challenges. Hyenas, despite their adaptability and ecological importance, face numerous conservation challenges. Habitat loss and fragmentation, driven by human population growth and agricultural expansion, are significant threats. As their natural habitats shrink, hyenas are forced into closer proximity to humans, leading to increased conflict. Human-wildlife conflict is a major concern, particularly in areas where hyenas are perceived as threats to livestock or livelihoods. Retaliatory killings and indiscriminate persecution further decimate their populations. Climate change poses an additional challenge, altering weather patterns and potentially impacting prey availability, further stressing hyena populations. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing habitat conservation, conflict mitigation, and community engagement. Protecting remaining habitats, creating wildlife corridors, and promoting sustainable land management practices are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of hyenas. Section 10: Changing the narrative. To secure a future for hyenas, it is essential to change the negative narrative surrounding them and foster a greater appreciation for their ecological importance. Education and awareness campaigns can play a vital role in dispelling myths and misconceptions. By highlighting the crucial role hyenas play in maintaining healthy ecosystems, we can foster a more positive perception of these often maligned creatures. Supporting research and conservation initiatives is crucial for gathering data on hyena populations, understanding their ecological needs, and developing effective conservation strategies. Community-based conservation efforts involving local communities in hyena monitoring and protection are essential for fostering coexistence and ensuring the long-term success of conservation programs. By changing the narrative surrounding hyenas, we can pave the way for their long-term survival and ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in the wild. It is our responsibility to appreciate and protect these often misunderstood creatures, not just for their sake but for the health of our planet as a whole. Section 11. Conclusion. A future for hyenas. The haunting laugh of the hyena, echoing across the African plains, is a reminder of the presence of these remarkable and often misunderstood creatures. They are much more than the villains of popular culture. They are intelligent, adaptable, and socially complex animals that play a vital role in their ecosystems. As we have discovered, hyenas are not simply scavengers but also skilled hunters, devoted mothers, and essential contributors to the delicate balance of nature. Their powerful bite, social intelligence, and remarkable adaptations have allowed them to thrive in diverse habitats. Yet, despite their resilience, hyenas face numerous threats, many of them driven by human activities. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival, not just for their sake, but for the health of our planet. By challenging our perceptions, supporting conservation efforts, and fostering coexistence, we can secure a future for hyenas, ensuring that their laughter continues to echo across the savannas for generations to come. Deep within the vibrant tapestry of the rainforest, a creature of extraordinary beauty and unparalleled danger resides. The golden poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian adorned in shimmering hues of gold, is a sight to behold. But beware, its captivating appearance masks a deadly secret. This diminutive frog, no larger than a human thumbnail, harbors within its skin a poison so potent that it can kill 10 grown men. The golden poison dart frog, also known by its scientific name, Philobates terribilis, is a marvel of nature's extremes. Its vibrant golden color serves as a warning to potential predators, a clear signal of the danger that lies within. This striking coloration is a classic example of aposematism, where animals advertise their toxicity through bright, conspicuous colors. The rainforest, with its symphony of life and death, is a stage where predator and prey engage in an intricate dance of survival. The golden poison dart frog, armed with its lethal poison, plays a unique role in this complex ecosystem. Its story is a testament to the power of adaptation and the delicate balance that holds the rainforest together. The rainforest, a realm of towering trees and emerald canopies, is the only home the golden poison dart frog knows. Specifically, this dazzling amphibian is endemic to a small region on the Pacific coast of Colombia. Here, in the humid, verdant undergrowth, it thrives amidst a symphony of life. Imagine a world painted in shades of green where sunlight filters through a dense canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. The air hangs heavy with moisture and the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms fills the air. This is the world of the golden poison dart frog. This small region of Colombia, characterized by high rainfall and consistent temperatures, provides the ideal conditions for these frogs to thrive. The forest floor, a mosaic of fallen leaves, moss-covered logs, and trickling streams, offers ample hiding places and a rich buffet of insects for the frogs to feast on. The golden poison dart frog's most remarkable feature and the source of its deadly reputation is its poison. This potent toxin, known as batrachotoxin, is one of the most lethal poisons known to science. A mere gram of this poison is enough to kill thousands of people. Batrachotoxin works by disrupting the flow of sodium ions in nerve and muscle cells. This disruption leads to a cascade of effects, ultimately resulting in paralysis and heart failure. The poison is so potent that even the slightest touch can be fatal. Interestingly, the golden poison dart frog does not produce batrachotoxin itself. Scientists believe that the frog obtains the poison from its diet, which consists primarily of small insects and arthropods. These insects, in turn, are thought to acquire the toxin from plants or other sources in their environment. This makes the golden poison dart frog a fascinating example of bioaccumulation, where toxins accumulate in organisms higher up the food chain. For centuries, the indigenous Embera people of Colombia have lived in harmony with the rainforest and its inhabitants, including the golden poison dart frog. They have long been aware of the frog's deadly poison and have developed ingenious ways to utilize it for their own purposes. The Embera people carefully extract the poison from the frogs, using it to tip their blowgun darts for hunting. The poison, when introduced into the bloodstream, quickly paralyzes their prey, making for a swift and humane kill. This traditional practice highlights the deep understanding and respect that the Embera people have for the rainforest and its resources. The Embera people's relationship with the golden poison dart frog is a testament to the interconnectedness of humans and nature. It underscores the importance of traditional ecological knowledge and the need to preserve indigenous cultures and their practices. Section 5. The Amphibian Crisis and the Golden Dart Frog. The golden poison dart frog, despite its deadly defenses, is not immune to the threats facing amphibians worldwide. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and disease are pushing many amphibian species towards extinction, and the golden poison dart frog is no exception. The rainforests of Colombia, once vast and teeming with life, are shrinking at an alarming rate due to deforestation. As trees fall to make way for agriculture, logging, and mining, the golden poison dart frog loses its home and its source of food and shelter. The loss of habitat fragments populations, making them more vulnerable to disease and genetic isolation. This, coupled with the effects of climate change, paints a bleak picture for the future of the golden poison dart frog and countless other species that depend on the rainforest for survival. Section 6. The illegal pet trade, a growing threat, the golden poison dart. Frog's dazzling beauty, unfortunately, has made it a target of the illegal pet trade. Collectors, captivated by its striking appearance, are willing to pay exorbitant prices for these exotic creatures, fueling a demand that is decimating wild populations. The capture and transport of these frogs are often cruel and inhumane, with many animals dying during the process. Those that survive the journey often end up in unsuitable environments, where they are susceptible to stress, disease, and premature death. The illegal pet trade not only robs the rainforest of its biodiversity, but also poses a serious threat to the delicate balance of the ecosystem. It is imperative that we raise awareness about the plight of the golden poison dart frog and work towards ending the demand for these animals in the pet trade. Section 7. Conservation efforts and the future of the golden poison dart frog. The plight of the golden poison dart frog is a stark reminder of the urgent need for conservation action. Fortunately, there is hope. Dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect this iconic species and its rainforest home. Conservation efforts focus on a multi-pronged approach, including habitat preservation, research, education, and community engagement. Protected areas such as national parks and reserves are being established to safeguard critical habitat for the golden poison dart frog and other threatened species. Research is crucial to understanding the biology, ecology, and conservation needs of the golden poison dart frog. Scientists are studying the frog's behavior, habitat use, and the impact of threats such as habitat loss and climate change. This information is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. Section 8. The importance of biodiversity. The golden poison dart frog, with its unique characteristics and ecological role, is a testament to the importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is essential for the health and functioning of ecosystems and for the well-being of humans. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem, disrupting the delicate balance that sustains life. The golden poison dart frog, as a top predator in its ecosystem, helps to control populations of insects and other invertebrates. Its presence is crucial for maintaining the health and stability of the rainforest. Section 9. The golden dart frog, a symbol of conservation. The golden poison dart frog, with its captivating beauty and precarious existence, has become a flagship species for rainforest conservation. Its image graces countless posters, brochures, and websites, raising awareness about the plight of endangered species and the importance of protecting their habitats. The frog's story resonates with people worldwide, inspiring them to learn more about the rainforest and the threats it faces. It serves as a powerful reminder that we are all connected to nature and that our actions have consequences. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our environmental footprint, and advocating for change, we can all play a role in ensuring the survival of the golden poison dart frog and the preservation of its rainforest home. Section 10. The future of the rainforest. The fate of the golden poison dart frog is inextricably linked to the future of the rainforest. The rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, plays a vital role in regulating global climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Deforestation, driven by human activities, is the biggest threat to the rainforest. As trees are cut down, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. The loss of rainforest also disrupts water cycles, leading to more frequent droughts and floods. Protecting the rainforest is not just about saving the golden poison dart frog, it's about safeguarding the future of our planet. By reducing our consumption, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for policies that protect the environment, we can all make a difference. Section 11. A call to action. The story of the golden poison dart frog is a call to action. It is a reminder that we are at a crossroads and that the choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and all its inhabitants. We can no longer afford to be bystanders in the face of environmental destruction. We must become stewards of the earth, working together to protect the natural world that sustains us. Let us be inspired by the golden poison dart frog, a creature of both beauty and resilience, and let us work together to create a future where humans and nature can thrive in harmony. The time for action is now.
Monkeys are fascinating creatures. They swing through trees and chatter in the forest. From the smallest marmoset to the largest baboon, over 260 species of monkeys inhabit our planet. These primates are not just diverse in appearance, but also in their intelligence and social behaviors. Monkeys have captured human imagination for centuries. We tell stories about them and admire their agility. Their complex social structures and problem-solving abilities make them a subject of endless fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Understanding monkeys means understanding a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Their role in their ecosystems is crucial, and their presence enriches the tapestry of life on Earth. This essay delves into the captivating world of monkeys, exploring their unique characteristics, behaviors, ecological significance, and the importance of their conservation. The monkey family is broadly divided into two groups: Old World monkeys and New World monkeys. This division is not just a matter of geography, but also of evolutionary paths that have led to distinct physical and behavioral traits in these primates. This division reflects their geographical distribution and evolutionary history. Old World monkeys are primarily found in Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe, while New World monkeys are native to the Americas, ranging from the tropical rainforests of South America to the temperate regions of North America. Old World monkeys are found in Africa, Asia, and even parts of Europe. They have adapted to a variety of habitats, from the savannas and forests of Africa to the mountainous regions of Asia. This adaptability has allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. New World monkeys, on the other hand, are native to the Americas. They are predominantly arboreal, living in the dense canopies of tropical rainforests. Their environment has shaped their evolution, leading to unique adaptations that distinguish them from their Old World counterparts. These two groups exhibit distinct characteristics. Old World monkeys and New World monkeys have evolved separately for millions of years, resulting in significant differences in their anatomy, behavior, and social structures. Old World monkeys often have downward-pointing nostrils, closely spaced together. This feature is one of the key differences that can help in identifying them. Their nostrils are narrow and set close together, unlike the broader, more widely spaced nostrils of New World monkeys. Many possess cheek pouches for storing food, which allows them to gather food quickly and eat it later in a safer location. This adaptation is particularly useful in environments where food sources may be scarce or competition is high. And some even have toughened skin on their rumps, called ischial callosities, which act as sitting pads. These callosities provide comfort and support when sitting on rough surfaces, a useful trait for species that spend a lot of time on the ground. Examples include baboons, macaques, and colobus monkeys. Each of these species has adapted to their specific environments in unique ways, showcasing the diversity within the Old World monkey group. New World monkeys are characterized by nostrils that open sideways. This feature is a clear distinction from Old World monkeys and is thought to be an adaptation to their arboreal lifestyle. They also lack cheek pouches and ischial callosities. Instead, they have other adaptations that suit their tree-dwelling habits, such as more flexible limbs and prehensile tails. One of their most distinctive features is their prehensile tails, which act as an extra limb, gripping branches and aiding in their arboreal lifestyle. This adaptation allows them to move effortlessly through the trees, providing stability and support as they navigate their forest homes. Howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and capuchin monkeys are all New World monkeys. Each of these species has developed unique behaviors and adaptations that help them survive and thrive in their specific habitats. Howler monkeys are known for their loud calls, which can be heard over long distances, while spider monkeys are agile climbers, and capuchin monkeys are highly intelligent and use tools to access food. Monkeys come in a variety of shapes and sizes. From the dense rainforests of South America to the savannas of Africa, these fascinating creatures have adapted to a wide range of environments. Each species has evolved unique physical traits that help them survive and thrive in their specific habitats. The pygmy marmoset, the smallest monkey, is no bigger than a human thumb. Weighing just around 100 grams, these tiny primates are masters of their arboreal world, using their small size to navigate the intricate network of branches and leaves. Mandrills, on the other hand, can grow to be over 3 feet tall and weigh up to 77 pounds. Known for their strikingly colorful faces and rumps, these large monkeys are powerful and social, often found in groups called hordes. Despite their differences, all monkeys share some common physical characteristics. These shared traits are a testament to their common ancestry and evolutionary adaptations. Their hands, for instance, are adapted for grasping. This ability is crucial for their survival, allowing them to forage for food, climb trees, and interact with their environment in complex ways. Most monkeys have 5 fingers, including an opposable thumb, which allows them to manipulate objects with dexterity. This thumb is a key feature that sets primates apart from many other animals, enabling them to perform intricate tasks. Their facial features are also distinctive, with forward-facing eyes that provide excellent depth perception. This binocular vision is essential for judging distances accurately, a critical skill for navigating the treetops. This is essential for judging distances while moving through trees. Monkeys rely on their keen eyesight to leap from branch to branch with precision, avoiding predators and finding food. Their tails are another notable feature. Tails serve various functions depending on the species and their environment. While Old World monkeys have tails that are not prehensile, those of New World monkeys are strong and flexible, acting as an extra limb. This prehensile tail is a remarkable adaptation, allowing them to grasp branches and even pick up objects. These tails help them maintain balance, navigate their environment, and even hang upside down. In the dense canopies of the rainforest, a prehensile tail can be the difference between life and death, providing stability and support in a complex 3-dimensional world. Monkeys are not just defined by their physical traits, but also by their social behaviors. Grooming, playing, and interacting with each other are vital aspects of their lives, strengthening social bonds and ensuring the survival of their groups. Their expressive faces and complex vocalizations allow them to communicate effectively, conveying emotions and intentions. This social intelligence is a hallmark of primate evolution, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. In conclusion, the physical traits of monkeys are as diverse as the environments they inhabit. From the smallest pygmy marmoset to the largest mandrill, each species has evolved unique adaptations that enable them to survive and flourish in their respective ecosystems. These remarkable creatures continue to captivate and inspire us with their incredible diversity and resilience. Section 4. Social butterflies of the jungle. Monkey societies. Monkeys are fascinating creatures, not just because of their playful antics, but also due to their intricate social structures and behaviors. Monkeys are highly social animals, living in groups called troops. These troops are the cornerstone of their social lives, providing safety, companionship, and a structured environment. These troops can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds of monkeys. The size of the troop often depends on the species and the availability of resources in their habitat. Life within a troop is structured and complex, governed by hierarchies and social bonds. Each monkey has a role to play, and their interactions are guided by a set of unwritten rules that ensure the group's cohesion. Grooming plays a vital role in monkey societies. It's a common sight to see monkeys meticulously picking through each other's fur, removing dirt and parasites. It's not just about hygiene. It's also a way to strengthen social bonds, reduce stress, and maintain relationships. Grooming sessions can last for hours and are often a time for monkeys to relax and bond with each other. Monkeys communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including hoots, screams, and chirps. Each sound has a specific meaning and can convey a wide range of emotions and messages. These calls can signal danger, attract mates, or maintain contact within the group. For instance, a loud scream might warn the troop of a nearby predator, while softer chirps can help keep family members in touch as they forage. Hierarchy is another defining feature of monkey societies. The social ladder is often clear, with dominant individuals asserting their status through various behaviors. Dominant individuals, often determined by age, strength, or lineage, have priority access to food, mates, and resting spots. This pecking order helps to reduce conflicts and ensures that the strongest members can lead and protect the group. This social structure helps maintain order within the troop and reduces conflict. By understanding their place in the hierarchy, each monkey knows what to expect and how to behave, which fosters a harmonious living environment. The intricate social dynamics of monkey societies are a testament to their intelligence and adaptability, making them one of the most intriguing species in the animal kingdom. Section 5. Monkey See, Monkey Do, Intelligence and Learning. Monkeys are intelligent creatures, capable of problem-solving, learning, and even cultural transmission of behaviors. Their cognitive abilities have fascinated scientists for decades, providing insights into the evolution of intelligence. Tool use, once thought to be a uniquely human trait, has been observed in several monkey species. Capuchin monkeys, for instance, use stones to crack open nuts, while macaques use sticks to extract insects from tree bark. This ability to use tools demonstrates their problem-solving skills and adaptability. Learning and memory are also crucial for monkey survival. They remember food sources, navigate their territories, and recognize individuals within their troop. Moreover, some monkey species exhibit cultural behaviors, meaning that learned behaviors are passed down through generations. This cultural transmission of knowledge highlights their advanced cognitive abilities.
The African savanna teems with life. It is a land of vast grasslands and scattered acacia trees. Amidst this vibrant tapestry of nature, one animal reigns supreme, the lion. With their imposing size, thunderous roars, and regal bearing, lions have captivated the human imagination for centuries. They are symbols of strength, power, and wilderness. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. These prides roam the savanna, their presence shaping the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As apex predators, lions play a crucial role in regulating prey populations. Their impact on the environment is profound. The sight of a lion in the wild is unforgettable. Their golden coats blend seamlessly with the dry grasses. Their movements are a study in controlled power. To witness a lion hunt is to witness nature at its most raw and awe-inspiring. The future of these magnificent creatures hangs in the balance. Lions are one of the largest cat species on Earth. Males can grow to over 8 feet long and weigh over 500 pounds. Females are slightly smaller, typically reaching 6 to 7 feet in length and weighing between 250 and 400 pounds. Their size is a testament to their predatory prowess. Lions are incredibly strong. Their muscular bodies are built for speed and agility. They can run in short bursts of up to 50 miles per hour. Their powerful legs allow them to leap impressive distances. These physical adaptations make them formidable hunters. Lions possess a unique combination of strength and agility. They can take down prey much larger than themselves. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth deliver a crushing bite. Their retractable claws are razor-sharp and designed for grasping and holding on to struggling prey. Lions are perfectly adapted to their role as apex predators. One of the most distinctive features of male lions is their mane. This thick, flowing hair around their head and neck sets them apart from females. The mane serves several purposes. It makes males appear larger and more intimidating to rivals. The mane also provides protection during fights. The thick hair helps to cushion blows to the head and neck. Males with darker, fuller manes tend to be healthier and have higher levels of testosterone. These males are more attractive to females. The size and color of a lion's mane can vary depending on factors such as genetics, age, and environment. Males living in hotter climates tend to have shorter, lighter manes. This helps them to stay cool. The mane is a symbol of masculinity and virility in the lion world. Lions have exceptional senses that are finely tuned for hunting. Their eyesight is 6 times more acute than that of humans. They can see clearly in low-light conditions. This allows them to hunt effectively at night. Their hearing is also highly developed. Lions can hear prey animals moving from great distances. They use their keen sense of smell to track prey and detect the presence of rivals. Lions have an exceptional sense of balance and coordination. Lions communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations including roars, growls, hisses, and purrs. Their roars can be heard from up to 5 miles away. These roars are used to communicate with other pride members, establish territory, and intimidate rivals. Lions are masters of communication. Section 5. Strength in Unity. The Lion Pride. Lions are the most social of all cat species. They live in groups called prides, which typically consist of 2 to 40 individuals. A pride is a complex social structure with a clear hierarchy. The pride is led by a dominant male, who mates with the females and protects the territory. Female lions are the primary hunters in the pride. They work together to bring down prey. Females are smaller and more agile than males, making them better suited for chasing and ambushing prey. The bonds between pride members are strong. Lions within a pride rely on each other for survival. They share food, raise cubs communally, and defend their territory from rivals and predators. The social structure of the pride ensures the survival of the group. It allows lions to thrive in the challenging environment of the African savanna. Section 6. The lions share roles within the pride. Within a lion pride, each member has a specific role to play. The dominant male is responsible for protecting the pride's territory from rivals and predators. He is also the primary mate for the females. The dominant male's reign is not always secure. He faces constant challenges from other males seeking to usurp his position. Female lions are the heart of the pride. They are responsible for hunting, raising cubs, and maintaining social bonds within the group. Females typically remain in their natal pride for life. Young male lions, once they reach maturity, are typically driven out of the pride by the dominant male. They must then fend for themselves until they can establish their own prides. The roles within a lion pride are essential for its survival. They ensure the continuation of the species. Section 7. Silent Stalkers. Hunting Strategies. Lions are opportunistic hunters, feeding on a variety of prey. Their diet consists mainly of large ungulates such as zebra, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are ambush predators relying on stealth and cunning to catch their prey. They hunt primarily at night or during the cooler hours of the day. Lions use a combination of strategies to bring down their prey. They often work together, with some lions chasing the prey towards others lying in wait. Lions are incredibly strong and can take down prey much larger than themselves. They suffocate their prey by clamping their powerful jaws over its mouth and nose. Lions are efficient hunters, but they are not always successful. They must contend with other predators and the challenges of a constantly changing environment. Section 8. A feast fit for a king. The lion's diet. Lions are carnivores, meaning that their diet consists entirely of meat. They are opportunistic feeders and will consume a wide variety of prey animals depending on availability. Their preferred prey includes zebra, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions will also scavenge from other predators or feed on carrion if necessary. A single lion can consume over 70 pounds of meat in one sitting. However, they can go for several days without eating if food is scarce. Lions play a crucial role in their ecosystem by regulating prey populations. Their feeding habits help to maintain the delicate balance of the African savanna. The presence of lions ensures the health and diversity of the entire ecosystem. Section 9. A kingdom under threat. Lions, once widespread across Africa and parts of Asia, are now facing a growing number of threats. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, agriculture, and climate change is a major concern. As their habitat shrinks, lions are forced into closer contact with humans. This often leads to conflict, with lions sometimes killing livestock or even attacking people. Poaching for their bones, skin, and other body parts is another significant threat. Lions are also susceptible to diseases, some of which can be transmitted from domestic animals. The decline of lion populations has far-reaching consequences. As apex predators, their disappearance can disrupt the delicate balance of the entire ecosystem. Protecting lions is not just about saving a single species, but about preserving the biodiversity and health of the African savanna. Section 10. Guardians of the lions. Recognizing the plight of lions, conservation organizations and governments are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures. Efforts are underway to reduce human-wildlife conflict, combat poaching, and mitigate the impacts of habitat loss. Anti-poaching patrols are being strengthened, and communities are being educated about the importance of lion conservation. Wildlife corridors are being established to connect fragmented habitats, allowing lions to roam more freely and maintain genetic diversity. Sustainable tourism initiatives are being developed to provide economic incentives for local communities to protect lions and their habitat. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and advocating for stronger protection measures, we can all play a role in securing the future of lions. Section 11. Securing the legacy of lions. The future of lions hangs in the balance. Their survival depends on our collective will to protect them and the habitats they call home. By addressing the threats they face, supporting conservation efforts, and fostering a greater appreciation for these magnificent creatures, we can ensure that lions continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come. Imagine a world without the roar of lions echoing across the savanna. It would be a world diminished, a testament to our failure to protect one of nature's most iconic and awe-inspiring creatures. Let us strive to be better stewards of our planet, ensuring that the legacy of lions endures, their roars a testament to the wild beauty and untamed spirit of the African savanna. The time to act is now, before it is too late. The fate of lions, and indeed the health of our planet, rests in our hands. Deep within the Indonesian archipelago, a creature of prehistoric power reigns supreme. The Komodo dragon, a relic of a bygone era, roams these islands with an air of ancient majesty. Its presence is a reminder of a time when giants ruled the earth. The Komodo dragon, the world's largest living lizard, is a testament to nature's capacity for creating formidable predators. Reaching lengths of up to 10 feet and weighing as much as 150 pounds, these reptiles are not just large, they are powerful and agile hunters. Their thick, muscular bodies and strong limbs allow them to navigate the rugged terrain of their island habitats with ease. Its size, strength, and venomous bite make it a formidable force in its island domain. The Komodo dragon's bite is particularly deadly, as it delivers a potent mix of bacteria and venom that can incapacitate its prey within hours. This unique adaptation ensures that even if the prey escapes initially, it will soon succumb to the dragon's lethal bite. This essay explores the fascinating world of the Komodo dragon, delving into its physical characteristics, hunting prowess, ecological significance, and the importance of its conservation. The Komodo dragon's hunting strategy is a blend of patience and power. It often lies in wait, camouflaged by the dense foliage, before launching a swift and deadly attack on unsuspecting prey. The Komodo dragon is an apex predator, meaning it sits at the top of its food chain. Its diet is varied, including deer, pigs, and even water buffalo. This diverse diet helps maintain the ecological balance of its habitat, as the dragon controls the population of various species. Few animals can challenge its dominance on the islands it calls home. The Komodo dragon's sheer size and strength make it a formidable opponent for any would-be challenger. Even the largest mammals on the islands give the dragon a wide berth, knowing that a confrontation could be fatal. Understanding the Komodo dragon requires an appreciation for its remarkable adaptations, which have allowed it to thrive for millennia. Its keen sense of smell, aided by its forked tongue, allows it to detect carrion from miles away. This ability to find food in a harsh environment is crucial for its survival. Additionally, the Komodo dragon's tough, scaly skin provides protection against the rough terrain and potential predators. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure that this incredible species continues to thrive in its natural habitat. By protecting the Komodo dragon, we also preserve the delicate balance of the ecosystem it inhabits. The Komodo dragon's sheer size is often the first thing that strikes observers. These magnificent creatures, native to a few Indonesian islands, are the largest living species of lizard on Earth. Adult males can reach lengths of up to 10 feet and weigh over 200 pounds. This immense size is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in their survival and dominance in their habitat. Their powerful limbs and muscular tails propel them with surprising speed and agility. Despite their bulk, Komodo dragons can run at speeds of up to 13 miles per hour, making them formidable predators. This size advantage is a key factor in their hunting success, allowing them to overpower prey much larger than themselves. They are known to take down animals as large as deer and water buffalo, using their strength and sharp claws to subdue their targets. Their scales, reminiscent of ancient armor, provide protection from rivals and potential prey. These scales are reinforced with tiny bones called osteoderms, which act like a natural chainmail, offering an extra layer of defense. This combination of size, strength, and natural defenses makes the Komodo dragon a truly awe-inspiring sight. Observing one in its natural habitat is a reminder of the raw power and ancient lineage of these incredible reptiles. Their presence commands respect and admiration, a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Beyond their impressive size, Komodo dragons possess a suite of physical adaptations that make them highly effective hunters. Their jaws are lined with serrated teeth designed for tearing flesh. These teeth are constantly being replaced, ensuring a fresh set for delivering powerful bites. Their tongues, forked and agile, are used to detect scents, allowing them to track prey over long distances. This keen sense of smell, coupled with their powerful build, makes them formidable hunters. Komodo dragons are primarily ambush predators, relying on stealth and patience to secure their meals. They lie in wait near trails or watering holes, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander within striking distance. Their camouflage helps them blend into the surroundings, making them nearly invisible to their victims. When the moment is right, they strike with incredible speed, using their powerful legs to lunge forward and deliver a powerful bite. Their teeth tear through flesh and their venom weakens their prey. A varied palate, the Komodo dragon's diet. Komodo dragons are carnivorous reptiles with a diverse diet. While they are known to take down large prey such as deer, pigs, and even water buffalo, they are opportunistic feeders and will consume whatever is available. This includes smaller reptiles, birds, eggs, and carrion. Their ability to survive on infrequent meals is a testament to their slow metabolism. This adaptability is crucial for their survival in the often harsh environments they inhabit. Keystone species, the dragon's role in the ecosystem. Komodo dragons play a vital role in their island ecosystems. These remarkable creatures are not just fascinating to observe but are crucial for the health of their environment. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. This regulation is vital because it ensures that no single species can overpopulate and deplete the resources of the island. This balance is essential for maintaining a healthy and diverse ecosystem. Without the Komodo dragon, the delicate equilibrium of the island's flora and fauna would be disrupted, leading to potential ecological collapse. Their presence has a cascading effect on the entire food web, influencing the distribution and abundance of plants and animals alike. For instance, by controlling the population of herbivores, they indirectly protect vegetation. which in turn supports a variety of other species. This makes them a keystone species, one whose impact on its environment is disproportionately large relative to its numbers. The absence of Komodo dragons would lead to significant changes in the ecosystem, demonstrating their irreplaceable role in maintaining ecological balance. In addition to their role as predators, Komodo dragons also contribute to their ecosystem through scavenging. By consuming carrion, they help recycle nutrients back into the soil, promoting plant growth and sustaining the cycle of life on the island. Understanding the importance of Komodo dragons in their ecosystem highlights the need for their conservation. Protecting these magnificent creatures ensures the continued health and diversity of their unique island habitats. Conservation concerns protecting the dragon. Despite their formidable nature, Komodo dragons are facing growing threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, poaching, and climate change are all contributing to their declining numbers. Recognizing the importance of protecting these unique creatures, conservation efforts are underway. These efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and public education campaigns. As human presence expands into Komodo dragon territory, it is crucial to remember that these creatures are wild animals and should be treated with respect. Encounters with humans can be dangerous, and it is important to observe safety guidelines when visiting their habitat. These guidelines include staying with a guide, maintaining a safe distance, and being aware of one's surroundings. By respecting their space and understanding their behavior, we can coexist peacefully with these magnificent creatures. Komodo dragons are housed in zoos and wildlife parks around the world, playing a vital role in education and conservation. These captive breeding programs help raise awareness about the plight of wild populations and contribute to research efforts aimed at understanding their biology and behavior. By observing these animals up close, we gain a deeper appreciation for their unique adaptations and the delicate balance of their ecosystems. The future of the Komodo dragon remains uncertain. As human pressures on their environment continue to mount, it is essential that we prioritize their conservation. This requires a multifaceted approach that addresses habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. By supporting conservation initiatives, promoting responsible tourism, and fostering greater understanding of these incredible creatures, we can help ensure their survival for generations to come. The Komodo dragon, a symbol of prehistoric power and ecological significance, stands as a reminder of the importance of conserving our planet's biodiversity. Their unique adaptations, hunting prowess, and vital role in their ecosystems make them a species worthy of our admiration and protection. As we navigate the challenges of the 21st century, let us remember the lessons learned from the Komodo dragon and strive to create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. Ancient adversaries, cobra and mongoose. The Indian subcontinent is a land of vibrant life, where predator and prey engage in a timeless dance. Amongst these ancient battles, none is as captivating as the clash between the cobra and the mongoose. This duel, etched in folklore and witnessed by generations, embodies nature's raw power and delicate balance. The cobra, a symbol of both fear and reverence, stands as a formidable adversary. The mongoose, small yet fearless, is a worthy opponent in this legendary confrontation. Their encounters are not merely a spectacle of survival, but a testament to the evolutionary arms race that has shaped their destinies. The cobra, a serpent of deadly grace. Cobras belonging to the genus are renowned for their deadly venom and intimidating hoods. These serpents, found across Asia and Africa, are masters of defense and potent predators in their own right. Their venom, a complex cocktail of neurotoxins and cytotoxins, can paralyze and kill prey with terrifying efficiency. Beyond their venom, cobras are agile and swift, striking with blinding speed. Their intimidating hood, an extension of their neck ribs, serves as both a warning and a defense mechanism, making them appear larger and more threatening. Sensitive eyesight and the ability to detect vibrations through the ground make cobras acutely aware of their surroundings. The mongoose, a nimble survivor, a creature of remarkable agility and resilience. The mongoose, a small weasel-like mammal, might seem an unlikely contender against the mighty cobra. Yet this unassuming animal has evolved to become one of nature's most efficient predators. Despite its size, this tenacious creature possesses a unique set of adaptations that make it a formidable adversary. Its sharp claws and teeth are not just for show, they are essential tools for both defense and hunting. Their agility and lightning-fast reflexes are crucial for their survival. These quick movements allow them to dodge attacks and strike with precision. A thick coat of fur acts as a natural armor, providing some protection against venomous bites. This dense fur can absorb some of the impact from a snake's fangs, giving the mongoose a fighting chance. While not entirely immune, mongooses have a high resistance to cobra venom. This resistance is a result of evolutionary adaptations that have allowed them to survive in environments where venomous snakes are common. This resistance is attributed to specialized acetylcholine receptors, which bind less effectively to the neurotoxins in the venom. These receptors are a key factor in the mongoose's ability to withstand bites that would be fatal to other animals. Beyond physical adaptations, mongooses are intelligent and cunning hunters. They rely on their sharp instincts and strategic prowess to outmaneuver their adversaries. Whether stalking prey or defending against predators, the mongoose's quick thinking and adaptability are crucial to its survival in the wild. A clash of titans unraveling the duel. This is not just a simple fight, it is a battle of survival, a test of nature's most finely tuned predators. The encounter between a cobra and a mongoose is a spectacle of speed, strategy, and raw instinct. Each movement is calculated, each decision critical. The stakes are high and neither opponent can afford to make a mistake. The encounter typically begins with a tense standoff, both animals sizing each other up, their bodies poised for action. They are like two seasoned warriors, each aware of the other's strengths and weaknesses, each waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The cobra, with its hood flared, sways menacingly, attempting to intimidate its smaller opponent. Its eyes are fixed on the mongoose, every muscle in its body coiled and ready to spring. The mongoose, nimble and alert, circles the cobra, feinting and dodging with remarkable agility, waiting for the opportune moment. It knows that one wrong move could be fatal, but it also knows that patience and precision are its greatest allies. The air crackles with tension as each sudden movement could be the prelude to a deadly strike. The atmosphere is electric, charged with the raw energy of two creatures locked in a life-or-death struggle. The cobra attempts to land a venomous bite, but the mongoose, with its lightning-fast reflexes, often manages to evade the attack. This dance of death continues, each second stretching into an eternity as the two adversaries push their limits in this ultimate test of survival. Mongoose's triumph factors behind the victor. The mongoose, a small yet formidable creature, has long fascinated observers with its ability to take on one of nature's most feared predators, the cobra. While the outcome of a cobra-mongoose encounter can be unpredictable, the mongoose often emerges victorious. This victory is not merely a matter of chance but a result of several key factors that give the mongoose an edge in these deadly confrontations. Their success is attributed to a combination of factors, making them remarkably equipped to handle this venomous foe. These factors include their physical attributes, innate abilities, and learned behaviors that together form a formidable defense and offense against the cobra. Speed and agility give them the upper hand, allowing them to dodge the cobra's strikes with remarkable precision. The mongoose's quick reflexes and nimble movements make it difficult for the cobra to land a successful bite, which is crucial in such high-stakes encounters. Their thick fur provides an additional layer of protection, acting as a natural armor against the cobra's fangs. This dense fur can absorb some of the impact from a strike, reducing the chances of venom being injected into their bloodstream, while their partial immunity to cobra venom renders the serpent's primary weapon less effective. This immunity is not absolute, but it does allow the mongoose to withstand small amounts of venom, giving it a crucial advantage in prolonged battles. However, it's the mongoose's intelligence and strategic approach that truly set them apart. They are not just reacting instinctively, they are actively analyzing their opponent's movements and planning their next move. Their feints and dodges are not random, they are calculated maneuvers aimed at tiring out the cobra and creating an opening for a fatal bite to the back of the serpent's head. This combination of physical prowess, protective adaptations, and strategic intelligence makes the mongoose a formidable opponent for the cobra, often leading to its triumph in these deadly encounters. Beyond the battleground, ecological implications. The battles between cobras and mongooses, while captivating, are not merely about individual survival. These encounters play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their shared habitat. By preying on cobras, mongooses help regulate the snake population, preventing their unchecked growth. This regulation has cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. Cobras are apex predators, meaning they sit atop the food chain and have a significant impact on the populations of their prey species. By keeping cobra numbers in check, mongooses indirectly contribute to the health and diversity of the entire ecosystem. The dance of life and death, a delicate balance. The relationship between the cobra and the mongoose highlights the intricate web of life that connects all creatures within an ecosystem. It is a testament to the power of natural selection, where predator and prey evolve in response to each other's adaptations, leading to an ongoing evolutionary arms race. This dance of life and death, while seemingly brutal, is essential for the long-term health and stability of the ecosystem. The mongoose's role as a predator helps prevent the cobra from becoming too dominant, ensuring that no single species gains an unfair advantage. Cobras beyond the mongoose's shadow. While often portrayed as the mongoose's prey, cobras are formidable predators in their own right. Their venomous bite makes them a threat to a wide range of animals, and they play a vital role in controlling rodent populations. Their presence within the ecosystem is essential for maintaining a healthy balance. Their venom, while deadly, has also found applications in traditional medicine and modern pharmacology. Research into the properties of cobra venom has led to the development of painkillers and other drugs. Mongooses, adaptable and opportunistic hunters. Mongooses, while renowned for their cobra-fighting abilities, are adaptable and opportunistic hunters. Their diet consists of a variety of prey, including rodents, birds, insects, and even fruits. This dietary flexibility allows them to thrive in a range of habitats. Their adaptability and resilience have made them successful colonizers, and they have been introduced to various parts of the world, sometimes with unintended consequences for native species. Coexistence and conflict. A complex relationship. The relationship between cobras and mongooses is not always one of direct conflict. In many instances, these animals coexist without engaging in deadly battles. Mongooses often target smaller, less dangerous snakes, and cobras, aware of the mongoose's prowess, may choose to avoid confrontation. Their interactions are influenced by factors like prey availability, habitat structure, and individual temperaments. Understanding these nuances is crucial for appreciating the complexity of their relationship. Conservation protecting nature's gladiators. Both cobras and mongooses face threats due to habitat loss, human encroachment, and the illegal wildlife trade. It is crucial to protect these animals and their environments to ensure the continuation of this ancient duel. Conservation efforts should focus on habitat preservation, raising awareness about the ecological importance of these animals, and combating the illegal trade in wildlife. By understanding and appreciating the intricate balance of nature, we can help ensure that future generations will continue to be captivated by the epic battle between the cobra and the mongoose.
Rhinos, with their immense size and prehistoric appearance, are a true spectacle of the natural world. These magnificent animals, often referred to as living fossils, captivate our imagination and remind us of a time long past. These magnificent creatures, characterized by their distinctive horns and thick, armor-like skin, have roamed the earth for millions of years. Their horns, made of keratin, the same substance as human hair and nails, are both a symbol of their strength and a source of their peril. Their very presence evokes a sense of awe and wonder, a reminder of the incredible biodiversity our planet holds. Watching a rhino move through its habitat is like witnessing a piece of history come to life. From the vast African savannas to the dense forests of Southeast Asia, rhinos play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. Each species of rhino has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing the incredible versatility of nature. As large herbivores, they shape their environments through grazing, influencing plant diversity, and creating habitats for other animals. Their feeding habits help maintain the balance of their ecosystems, ensuring the survival of many other species. Their survival is not only crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of these ecosystems, but also for preserving the rich tapestry of life on Earth. The presence of rhinos is a testament to the health of our natural world. However, these gentle giants are facing an unprecedented crisis, their very existence hanging in the balance. Poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict are pushing them to the brink of extinction. The threats are real, the challenge is immense, but there is still hope. Conservationists around the world are working tirelessly to protect these incredible animals and their habitats. Join us as we delve into the plight of the world's rhinos, exploring the challenges they face and the inspiring efforts underway to secure their future. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that these majestic creatures continue to roam the earth for generations to come. The rhino family comprises 5 distinct species, each with its own unique characteristics and facing its own set of challenges. These magnificent creatures have roamed the earth for millions of years, evolving and adapting to their environments. In Africa, we find the white rhino, the largest of all rhino species, weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. They are known for their square lips, which are perfect for grazing on grasses. In contrast, the black rhino is known for its prehensile upper lip, which it uses skillfully to browse on bushes and trees. This adaptation allows it to feed on a variety of vegetation. The white rhino is further divided into 2 subspecies: the southern white rhino, which has seen some conservation success, and the critically endangered northern white rhino, with only a few individuals left, all under strict protection. Across the Indian subcontinent roams the greater one-horned rhino, also known as the Indian rhino. This species is easily recognizable by its single horn and distinctive armor-plated skin, which provides protection against predators. Venturing into the dense rainforests of Indonesia, we encounter the critically endangered Javan rhino, the rarest of all rhino species. With fewer than 75 individuals remaining, they are confined to Ujung Kulon National Park. And finally, in the forests of Sumatra, we find the smallest rhino species, the Sumatran rhino, also critically endangered. These rhinos are unique for their hairy bodies and are the closest living relatives to the woolly rhinos of the Ice Age. Each of these species represents a unique branch on the evolutionary tree, each playing a vital role in their respective ecosystems. They help shape the landscape and maintain the balance of their habitats. Their decline is not just a loss for biodiversity, it is a loss for the health of our planet. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these incredible animals continue to thrive for generations to come. The most pressing and immediate threat to rhino survival is poaching, driven by the insatiable demand for rhino horn in some parts of the world. This demand has skyrocketed in recent years, making the situation even more dire. Rhino horn, made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails, is falsely believed to possess medicinal properties in certain cultures, particularly in traditional Asian medicine. Despite scientific evidence debunking these myths, the belief persists, fueling the illegal trade. This illegal trade has fueled a poaching crisis, pushing some rhino populations to the brink of extinction. The numbers are alarming, with some species seeing a dramatic decline in their populations over the past decade. Organized criminal networks, driven by the lure of high profits, have exploited the situation, employing sophisticated methods to track and kill rhinos, often with brutal efficiency. These poachers are well-equipped and highly coordinated, making it difficult for conservationists to combat them. The consequences of this illegal trade are devastating, not only for the rhinos themselves, but also for the communities that rely on them and the ecosystems they support. The loss of rhinos disrupts the balance of these ecosystems, leading to unforeseen environmental consequences that affect both wildlife and human populations. While poaching poses the most immediate threat, habitat loss is another significant factor pushing rhinos towards extinction. As human populations grow and expand, rhino habitats are being destroyed and fragmented at an alarming rate. Forests are cleared for agriculture, settlements, and infrastructure development, leaving rhinos with less and less space to roam and thrive. This loss of habitat not only reduces the availability of food and water, but also increases competition between rhinos, leading to conflicts and further fragmentation of populations. As their natural habitats shrink, rhinos are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to increased human-wildlife conflict, which further endangers their survival. Section 5. Guardians of the Wild. Combating poaching and protecting habitats. The fight to save rhinos is a multifaceted battle, requiring a collaborative approach involving governments, conservation organizations, local communities, and individuals worldwide. Anti-poaching efforts are at the forefront of this fight, with rangers risking their lives daily to protect rhinos from poachers. These dedicated individuals patrol vast areas, often in dangerous conditions, to deter poaching activities, apprehend poachers, and remove snares and other deadly traps. In addition to on-the-ground patrols, conservationists are employing innovative technologies, such as drones and camera traps, to monitor rhino populations, track their movements, and detect poaching activities in real time. Section 6. Breeding Hope. Captive breeding programs and their role in conservation. Captive breeding programs play a crucial role in rhino conservation, providing a safety net for critically endangered species and a source of genetic diversity for future reintroduction efforts. Zoos and wildlife sanctuaries around the world are working tirelessly to create breeding programs that mimic natural rhino habitats, providing the necessary conditions for successful reproduction. These programs are not just about increasing rhino numbers, they are about ensuring the long-term survival of these species by maintaining genetic diversity and preventing inbreeding. The ultimate goal is to release captive-bred rhinos back into the wild, boosting wild populations and expanding their range. Section 7. Success Stories. Glimmers of hope for the future. Despite the immense challenges, there are glimmers of hope emerging from the fight to save rhinos. The southern white rhino, once on the brink of extinction, has made a remarkable comeback thanks to decades of conservation efforts, including anti-poaching measures, habitat protection, and captive breeding programs. In Nepal, the greater one-horned rhino population has been steadily increasing, a testament to the effectiveness of community-based conservation initiatives. These success stories demonstrate that with concerted effort, dedication, and collaboration, we can turn the tide against rhino extinction. Section 8. The Power of One. Our collective responsibility to protect rhinos. The fight to save rhinos is not just the responsibility of conservationists and governments. It is a collective responsibility that falls on each and every one of us. We can all play a part in protecting these magnificent creatures, no matter where we live or what we do. By supporting conservation organizations, raising awareness about the plight of rhinos, and making responsible choices as consumers, we can all contribute to the fight against poaching and habitat loss. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Section 9. What you can do. Taking action for rhino conservation. There are many ways to get involved in rhino conservation, from supporting reputable conservation organizations working on the ground to spreading awareness within your own communities. Consider donating to organizations actively involved in anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, or captive breeding programs. Educate yourself and others about the rhino horn trade and the devastating impact of poaching. Use your voice to advocate for stronger wildlife protection laws and policies. By making conscious choices as consumers, we can reduce our impact on rhino habitats and support sustainable practices. Section 10. A Future for Rhinos, a call to action for generations to come. The future of rhinos hangs in the balance, but it is not a lost cause. By working together, with unwavering commitment and a shared sense of responsibility, we can secure a future where these magnificent creatures continue to roam free for generations to come. Let us be inspired by the successes we have witnessed, learn from our mistakes, and never lose sight of the ultimate goal. A world where rhinos are no longer threatened with extinction, but thrive in their natural habitats. The time to act is now. The future of rhinos is in our hands. Life is a continuous cycle, a relay race where the baton of existence is passed from one generation to the next. This cycle is the essence of life itself, a never-ending journey that ensures the survival and evolution of species across the globe. This process, this passing of the torch, is what we call reproduction. It is a fundamental aspect of biology, a process that is as old as life on Earth. Reproduction is the mechanism through which life perpetuates itself, allowing species to thrive and adapt to changing environments. It is the driving force of life, ensuring the continuation of species and the preservation of biodiversity. Without reproduction, the rich tapestry of life that we see around us would cease to exist. Each species, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Without it, the tapestry of life would unravel, leaving behind an empty canvas. The beauty and complexity of nature are a direct result of millions of years of reproductive success. The regeneration of ecosystems, the flourishing of habitats, and the survival of countless species all hinge on the ability to reproduce. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, every living creature is driven by the instinct to reproduce, to ensure that its lineage persists. This instinct is deeply ingrained in the DNA of all living beings, guiding their behaviors and interactions. The drive to reproduce influences migration patterns, feeding habits, and even social structures within animal communities. This fundamental urge underpins countless behaviors, shaping the way animals interact with their environment and with each other. Predators hunt to feed their young, while prey animals develop strategies to protect their offspring. Social animals, such as primates and elephants, form complex family groups to support and nurture their young. Reproduction is not a singular event, but rather a complex process. It involves a series of stages, each with its own challenges and intricacies, from courtship and mating to gestation and birth, and finally to the care and nurturing of the young. Each step is vital for the survival of the species. It encompasses everything from finding a mate to raising offspring, each stage presenting its own set of challenges. Finding a suitable mate often involves elaborate displays and rituals, while raising young requires significant energy and resources. Parental care varies widely among species, with some providing extensive support, and others leaving their offspring to fend for themselves. The diversity of these challenges has led to an equally diverse array of reproductive strategies, each tailored to the specific needs of a species and its environment. Some animals produce large numbers of offspring with minimal care, while others invest heavily in a few young. These strategies reflect the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth, ensuring that species can survive and thrive in a wide range of conditions. The animal kingdom, in all its wonder, employs two primary modes of reproduction: asexual and sexual. These methods are fundamental to the survival and continuation of species, each with its own unique processes and advantages. Asexual reproduction, as its name suggests, does not involve the fusion of sex cells. Instead, it relies on a single organism to reproduce, creating offspring that are genetically identical to the parent. It is a solo act, a way for an organism to create clones of itself. This method is efficient and quick, allowing for rapid population growth in stable environments. Imagine a starfish, its arm severed, regenerating into a whole new individual. This remarkable ability ensures that even if part of the organism is damaged, it can still contribute to the population. Or a hydra, budding off a miniature version of itself. This process, known as budding, allows the hydra to produce new individuals without the need for a mate. These are examples of asexual reproduction, a strategy often employed by simpler organisms. It is particularly advantageous in environments where conditions are stable and predictable, as it allows for the rapid colonization of available space. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, is a more collaborative affair. It involves the combination of genetic material from two parents, resulting in offspring that are genetically diverse. It requires the union of two sex cells, sperm and egg, each carrying half the genetic material needed to create a new life. This process, known as fertilization, is often accompanied by complex mating rituals and behaviors. This mixing of genes, this genetic recombination, is what makes sexual reproduction so fascinating. It introduces new genetic combinations into the population, increasing the potential for adaptation and survival in changing environments. It introduces variation into the population, making each individual unique, a mosaic of its parents' traits. This genetic diversity is crucial for the health and resilience of populations, as it allows for greater flexibility in the face of environmental challenges. This genetic diversity is the fuel for evolution, allowing populations to adapt and thrive in ever-changing environments. Through the process of natural selection, advantageous traits become more common, driving the evolution of species over time. Both asexual and sexual reproduction play vital roles in the continuity of life, each contributing to the incredible diversity we see in the animal kingdom today. Within the realm of sexual reproduction, there are two broad approaches, the R strategy and the K strategy. These strategies represent two ends of a spectrum, each with unique adaptations that have evolved over millions of years to maximize reproductive success in different environments. Think of them as two different parenting philosophies, each with its own set of pros and cons. While one focuses on quantity, the other emphasizes quality, and both have their own ways of ensuring the survival of their species. R strategists are the prolific reproducers of the animal kingdom. They are often found in unstable or unpredictable environments where the chances of survival for any one offspring are low. They live by the motto, strength in numbers, producing a large number of offspring with little to no parental investment. This strategy increases the likelihood that at least some of their offspring will survive to adulthood. Picture a sea turtle laying hundreds of eggs on a beach, leaving them to hatch and fend for themselves. The sheer number of eggs increases the odds that a few will make it to adulthood, despite the many threats they face. Or a dandelion scattering its seeds to the wind, each one carrying the potential for a new plant. This method ensures that at least some seeds will find a suitable environment to grow. These are classic examples of R strategists. They rely on high reproductive rates to offset the high mortality rates of their offspring. K strategists, in contrast, are more like helicopter parents, investing heavily in the survival of a smaller number of offspring. They are typically found in stable environments where competition for resources is high. They provide extensive parental care, nurturing their young to adulthood. This investment increases the chances that their offspring will survive and reproduce. Think of a pride of lions, the lioness fiercely protecting her cubs. The survival of each cub is crucial, so the parents invest significant time and energy in their care. Or a pair of emperor penguins, taking turns incubating their single egg through the harsh Antarctic winter. Their dedication ensures that their single offspring has the best chance of survival. These are prime examples of K strategists. Their strategy is to produce fewer offspring, but to invest heavily in each one, ensuring that they have the best possible start in life. This approach is particularly effective in environments where the competition for resources is fierce and the survival of each individual is critical. Section 4. The mating game. Courtship and mate selection. Finding the right partner is crucial for reproductive success, and animals have evolved elaborate ways to attract mates. This is where courtship comes in. A fascinating world of displays, dances, and duels. For some, it's all about visual spectacle. The male peacock, for example, unfurls his magnificent tail feathers, a shimmering advertisement of his genetic fitness. Others rely on auditory cues. The haunting song of a humpback whale, echoing through the ocean depths, is a love song designed to attract a mate. Competition for mates can be fierce, and many species engage in ritualized combat. Male deer lock antlers in a test of strength, while male elephant seals engage in brutal battles for dominance. But courtship isn't just about good looks or brute force. It's also about compatibility, ensuring that potential partners are biologically and behaviorally suited for each other. Section 5. Parental guidance. Ensuring offspring survival. The journey from egg to adulthood is fraught with peril, and for many animals, parental care is essential for offspring survival. This care can take many forms, from the simple act of guarding eggs to the complex task of teaching survival skills. Some parents provide protection from predators. A mother crocodile, for example, will fiercely defend her nest, while a herd of musk oxen will form a protective ring around their young. Others focus on nourishment. Birds regurgitate food for their chicks, while mammals provide milk, a nutrient-rich substance specifically designed to nourish their offspring. Parental care can be a demanding task, requiring significant time and energy. But the investment pays off, increasing the chances of offspring survival and ensuring the continuation of the parent's genes. Deep within the heart of Australia, far from the bustling cities and coastal towns, lies a vast and untamed wilderness. Here, in this remote and rugged terrain, resides a creature of remarkable power and mystique. This is the inland taipan, also known as the western taipan, or the fierce snake, a name that evokes both awe and fear. It holds a title feared by many, the most venomous snake in the world, with venom so potent it can kill within minutes. But don't let the word fierce mislead you. The inland taipan isn't naturally aggressive. It is a reclusive creature, avoiding confrontation whenever possible. It prefers solitude, shying away from human contact whenever possible, blending seamlessly into its environment. Yet, its venom is potent enough to kill over 100 adult humans. A sobering reminder of the power hidden within the natural world, a power that commands respect. Understanding this creature, its behavior, and its venom is crucial for both our safety and its conservation. Knowledge replaces fear with respect, allowing us to appreciate the vital role the inland taipan plays in the delicate balance of its ecosystem, ensuring the health and diversity of the Australian wilderness. The inland taipan, growing to an average length of 6 feet, isn't the largest snake in the world. Yet, its slender body is perfectly designed for its environment. Its coloration changes with the seasons, adapting to the shifting hues of the Australian outback. During the cooler months, the snake sports a darker, almost black shade. This darker pigment helps it absorb heat from the sun more efficiently. As temperatures rise, the inland taipan sheds its skin, revealing a lighter, brownish tan color that reflects the sun's rays and helps it stay cool. This remarkable ability to blend in with its surroundings makes the inland taipan a master of camouflage. It's a stealthy hunter, often lying in wait for its prey to wander close by before striking with incredible speed. The venom of the inland taipan is a complex cocktail of toxins, each component designed for a specific purpose. It's a neurotoxin, meaning it primarily affects the nervous system, disrupting the signals that control vital bodily functions. What makes this venom so deadly is its potency. A single bite delivers a massive dose of toxins, far more than what's needed to kill its usual prey of small mammals and birds. The venom acts rapidly, attacking the victim's nervous system and causing paralysis. However, despite the lethal nature of its venom, the inland taipan is not an aggressive snake. It bites defensively, only when it feels threatened or cornered. Encounters with humans are rare, and bites are even rarer still. The effects of an inland taipan bite are swift and devastating. Within minutes, the victim may experience headache, nausea, and blurred vision. As the venom spreads, muscle weakness and paralysis set in, eventually leading to respiratory failure. Fortunately, thanks to advances in anti-venom technology, a bite from an inland taipan is no longer a guaranteed death sentence. However, prompt medical attention is absolutely critical. Time is of the essence, and any delay in receiving anti-venom can significantly reduce the chances of survival. The existence of anti-venom is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to combat even the deadliest of nature's creations. It's a reminder that even in the face of danger, there is always hope. Section 5. A remote existence. The inland taipan's habitat. The inland taipan makes its home in the arid and semi-arid regions of central eastern Australia. It prefers areas with clay soils, where it can burrow into the ground seeking refuge from the scorching sun and seeking cooler temperatures. These remote areas, sparsely populated by humans, provide the perfect haven for this reclusive reptile. The inland taipan is rarely seen, even by those who share its habitat. It's a creature of the shadows, preferring to move silently and unseen through the undergrowth. The harshness of this environment, with its extreme temperatures and limited water sources, has shaped the inland taipan's evolution. It's a creature perfectly adapted to survive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Section 6. Shy and reclusive, avoiding encounters. Despite its deadly reputation, the inland taipan is not an animal to be feared. It's a shy and retiring creature, actively avoiding any contact with humans. It would much rather retreat into its burrow than confront a potential threat. Encounters with humans are rare, and bites are even rarer still. Most bites occur when people accidentally step on or disturb a hidden snake, triggering a defensive response. By being aware of our surroundings and respecting the snake's space, we can minimize the risk of an encounter. Education and awareness are crucial in promoting peaceful coexistence with this remarkable reptile. By understanding its behavior and habitat preferences, we can learn to appreciate the inland taipan from a distance. Section 7. Ecological importance, a vital predator. The inland taipan plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it sits at the top of the food chain, helping to regulate populations of rodents and other small animals. This predatory role is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of the outback environment. By controlling rodent populations, the inland taipan indirectly benefits farmers and graziers. Rodents can cause significant damage to crops and pastures, and their populations need to be kept in check to prevent economic losses. The inland taipan, despite its fearsome reputation, is an integral part of a complex web of life. Its presence, though unseen by most, helps to maintain the health and stability of its ecosystem. Section 8. Conservation, protecting a vital species. While the inland taipan is not currently considered endangered, habitat loss and fragmentation pose potential threats to its long-term survival. As human activities encroach further into its natural habitat, it's crucial that we prioritize conservation efforts. Protecting the inland taipan's habitat is not just about safeguarding a single species. It's about preserving the biodiversity of the Australian outback and ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. Education, research, and responsible land management practices are essential tools in our conservation toolbox. By working together, we can ensure that the inland taipan continues to thrive in the wilds of Australia for generations to come. Section 9. Respecting wildlife. Coexisting with the inland taipan. Respect is the key to coexisting with any wild animal, especially one as potentially dangerous as the inland taipan. This snake, known for its potent venom, demands our utmost caution and consideration. By understanding its behavior, respecting its space, and appreciating its role in the ecosystem, we can live in harmony with this remarkable creature. The inland taipan plays a crucial role in controlling the population of its prey, maintaining a balanced ecosystem. When venturing into areas where the inland taipan might be present, it's important to wear appropriate clothing, such as long pants and sturdy boots. These precautions can protect you from accidental bites and ensure a safer hiking experience. Make noise while you walk to alert snakes to your presence and give them time to move away. This simple act can prevent unexpected encounters and reduce the risk of startling a snake. Remember, the inland taipan is more afraid of us than we are of it. It prefers to retreat and hide rather than confront humans. It's a shy and retiring creature that would much rather avoid contact. By giving it space and respecting its natural behavior, we can coexist peacefully. By following these simple guidelines, we can enjoy the beauty of the Australian outback while ensuring the safety of both humans and wildlife. Embracing these practices not only protects us, but also preserves the natural habitat of the inland taipan. Section 10. Conclusion. The inland taipan's place in the world. The inland taipan, with its deadly venom and reclusive nature, might seem like a creature to be feared. Its venom is the most toxic of any snake, capable of causing severe harm to humans. However, knowledge and understanding can replace fear with respect and appreciation. Scientists and herpetologists have dedicated their lives to studying these fascinating creatures, revealing their secrets and behaviors. It's a creature perfectly adapted to its environment, playing a vital role in the delicate balance of the Australian outback. Its presence helps control the population of its prey, maintaining ecological harmony. As we continue to explore and learn more about the natural world, it's crucial that we prioritize conservation efforts to protect the inland taipan and its habitat. Conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure these snakes have a safe environment to thrive. By respecting wildlife and their place in the world, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at the wonders of the natural world. Education plays a key role in fostering this respect and understanding. Let us remember that the inland taipan, despite its deadly potential, is a creature deserving of our respect and protection. It is a symbol of the intricate and fragile web of life that we must strive to preserve. It's a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world and the importance of our role as stewards of the planet. Our actions today will determine the future of these magnificent creatures and their habitat.
The African savanna reverberates with the presence of a true giant, the African elephant. These majestic creatures are not just the largest land animals on Earth, but they also play a crucial role in their ecosystem. The largest land animal on Earth, it embodies strength and power. With their massive bodies and long trunks, they are a symbol of resilience and endurance. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring. Standing up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder, these giants dwarf most other creatures in their habitat. A sight to behold, these magnificent creatures command respect. Their presence is a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Weighing up to 6 tons, the African elephant is a herbivorous behemoth. They consume hundreds of pounds of vegetation daily, shaping the landscape as they move through it. It roams the savanna and forests of sub-Saharan Africa. These vast territories are their home, where they travel in herds led by matriarchs. Their colossal size is only surpassed by their incredible strength. They can uproot trees and move massive objects with ease, showcasing their physical prowess. The African elephant, a symbol of wilderness and untamed beauty. Their social structures and behaviors are complex, reflecting a deep intelligence and emotional depth. Its existence is a testament to the power of nature. These creatures have roamed the earth for millions of years, adapting and surviving through countless changes. It reminds us of the incredible diversity that this planet holds. The African elephant is not just a marvel of nature, but a crucial part of the intricate web of life that sustains our world. The African elephant's strength is not just about size, it's about intelligent design. These magnificent creatures are the largest land animals on Earth, and their anatomy is a marvel of nature. Its massive head houses a surprisingly small brain, weighing only about 11 pounds. Despite its size, this brain is highly developed. However, this brain is capable of complex emotions and problem-solving. Elephants have been observed showing empathy, mourning their dead, and even using tools. Thick, leathery skin, almost an inch thick, provides protection from predators and parasites. This skin is also covered in fine hairs that help with sensory perception. This loose-fitting skin is not just tough, it also helps regulate body temperature. Elephants use mud and water to cool down, creating a natural sunscreen and insect repellent. It allows for efficient cooling in the hot African sun. Their large ears also play a crucial role in thermoregulation, acting as radiators to dissipate heat. The elephant's iconic tusks, elongated incisor teeth, are formidable weapons. These tusks are used in battles for dominance and protection against predators. They are also tools for digging, stripping bark, and moving objects. Elephants use their tusks to access food and water sources that would otherwise be out of reach. These impressive ivory tusks can grow over 6 feet long. They are a testament to the elephant's strength and adaptability, making them one of nature's most fascinating giants. No discussion of elephant strength is complete without mentioning the trunk. This remarkable organ, a fusion of nose and upper lip, is incredibly strong. It can uproot trees and gently pluck a single blade of grass. The trunk is a marvel of muscular coordination. It contains over 40,000 muscles, allowing for incredible dexterity. The elephant uses its trunk for drinking, bathing, and communicating. The elephant's legs, resembling massive pillars, support its enormous weight. These sturdy limbs allow for surprising speed and agility. Elephants can move silently through dense forests. African elephants are keystone species. Their presence shapes the very landscape they inhabit. They create clearings in forests, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. Their dung, rich in nutrients, disperses seeds across vast distances. This fertilizes the soil, promoting plant growth. Elephants dig water holes during dry seasons. These watering holes become lifelines for other animals. They demonstrate the interconnectedness of life on the savanna. The elephant's impact on the ecosystem is profound and far-reaching. Section 5. Matriarchal Society. Family bonds and intelligence. African elephants are highly social animals. They live in tightly knit family groups led by a matriarch. The matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female, guides her family. These herds exhibit complex communication. They use a combination of vocalizations, including rumbles and trumpets. Body language, like ear flapping and head shaking, also plays a crucial role. Elephants possess remarkable memory and intelligence. They display empathy, grief, and altruism. These traits highlight the depth of their social bonds and their understanding of the world around them. Section 6. Ivory Trade. A threat to giants. Sadly, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats, primarily from human activities. The illegal ivory trade has decimated elephant populations. Poachers, driven by greed, target elephants for their tusks. The demand for ivory, particularly in Asian markets, fuels this cruel trade. This illegal activity pushes elephants closer to the brink of extinction. It disrupts their social structures and devastates their populations. The fight against poaching requires a multi-pronged approach. It necessitates international cooperation, stricter law enforcement, and reducing demand for ivory. Section 7. Shrinking Habitats, where giants fear to tread. Habitat loss is another significant threat to African elephants. Human populations are expanding, leading to deforestation and fragmentation of elephant habitats. This forces elephants into closer proximity to humans. This encroachment often leads to human-wildlife conflict. Elephants raiding crops or damaging property are often met with retaliation. This conflict further endangers both elephants and humans. Protecting elephant habitats is crucial for their survival. This requires establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable land management practices. Section 8. Guardians of Giants. Conservation Efforts. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the African elephant. Dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect them. Anti-poaching patrols, often with local communities' help, are crucial in deterring poachers. Raising awareness about the plight of elephants, particularly among younger generations, is paramount. Education programs can foster empathy and inspire action. Supporting organizations involved in elephant conservation through donations or volunteering can make a real difference. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to their protection. Section 9. A future for elephants. Our collective responsibility. The future of the African elephant lies in our hands. We must recognize that these magnificent creatures are not just a resource to be exploited, but sentient beings deserving of our respect and protection. Their survival depends on our collective action. We must demand an end to the ivory trade. Support sustainable practices that benefit both people and elephants. We must learn to coexist with elephants, acknowledging their right to roam free. Their future is intertwined with ours. Section 10. Echoes in the Savannah. A call for action. In the heart of Africa, where the golden sun kisses the horizon, the majestic elephants roam freely. Their presence is a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of the savannah. Let the echoes of elephant rumbles across the savannah be a call to action. These magnificent creatures, with their deep, resonant calls, remind us of the delicate balance of nature that we must strive to protect. Let us be their voice and their protectors. Every wrinkle on their skin tells a story of survival, and every step they take is a testament to their resilience. We must stand up and ensure their stories continue. Future generations should have the privilege of witnessing these giants in their natural habitat. Imagine a world where children can only see elephants in books or on screens. We must prevent this from becoming a reality. The time to act is now. Conservation efforts are not just about saving a species. They are about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Every action we take today will shape the future of our planet. Let us work together to ensure that the African elephant continues to roam free for generations to come. Community involvement is crucial. By working hand in hand, we can create a safe haven for these gentle giants. Their survival is a testament to our commitment to preserving the planet's biodiversity. Scientists and conservationists are tirelessly working to track and protect these animals, but they need our support. Let their story be one of resilience, hope, and our collective will to protect the natural world's wonders. Together, we can ensure that the echoes of the savannah continue to inspire and remind us of our duty to protect the Earth's incredible biodiversity.